Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica. I do a ton of decorating and cleaning right here on my channel. I would love to have you, so go ahead and click that red subscribe button right now before you forget. In today's video, I'm going to be giving my kitchen a makeover. I'm so excited to share this with you. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so before I get started, I want to show you a few new items that I purchased. And if you did see my last video, I did a shop with me, and I'm going to show you what I ended up buying. I got these two, they're like a farmhouse style pillow with a stripe on them, and it's like a navy blue. I'm not sure where I'm going to put these. This is what they look like. And they were $24.99. And then I got some soap and lotion to go in the kitchen. And I got both of these items at Marshall's. And I just liked that it had the blue because I'm kind of going for that blue look in my kitchen right now. And then I did order a few things off of Amazon, and I will link them in my description box if you are interested. I got this super cute toile valance for above my kitchen window. And I thought the pattern was really pretty. And then I also got these kitchen towels. It's like a farmhouse, I don't know, they're like a farmhouse style towel. And they do have some blue in there as well. And I like that it had the blue and the red because right now I have everything decorated for the 4th of July. But I'm going to take this out of the package and show you. Okay, so this is what they look like. And they do have a tiny bit of blue up here and then the red. And I am going to throw these in the washer right now while I start cleaning up my kitchen and taking the valance down and all that stuff. So here's the other item that I purchased off of Amazon, and like I said, I will leave links for everything. But I thought it was so cute and it was just the right size, and I am obsessed with red boxes. I feel like I'm always switching them out, but I really liked this one a lot. So right now I do have quite a few dishes that I have to put away. The dishes that are in the dishwasher right now are clean, so I'm just going to put all of those away and then do the ones that are in the sink. And then once I am finished with that, I will switch out the valance. I'm going to switch out the valance and clean the windows before I do the countertops because I will be standing on the countertops to do that. So I want to make sure that my countertops are nice and clean after I stand on them. So that is what I am going to do right now.
lights, look into each other's eyes.
Okay, so I just wanted to quickly show you this little trick that I did, and I take these Vital Proteins every single morning in my coffee, and I have it sitting out by my coffee maker. I don't like the way the container looks. It's just not pretty, so I went to Target and I purchased this cute little jar with that tight seal lid on the top. So what I did was I just took my Vital Proteins and I just added it to the clear jar. So now I'm just going to switch out the Valance here, and I am so happy with the quality of this. Sometimes I get really worried when I purchased items online because in the picture it might look like it's really good quality and then when you get it it's horrible, but I was so pleasantly surprised at how good the quality of this fabric was, and it is also lined, which I will show you here in a second. And these also came in a black and a red toile as well, and then there was other styles if you look at their website. I will link this down below if you are interested.
Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.
So I noticed how filthy my windows were when I was changing out the Valance, so I'm going to go ahead and clean my windows right now. I'm going to be using a new product. This is by Mrs. Meyer's, and it is a window cleaner in the lavender scent. And I found out about this product from watching another YouTuber. Her name is Jessie Christine. She does cleaning on her channel, and I absolutely love her. And she is so close to 100,000. So if you guys do not know of her, or if you want to help her reach her goal, I would love it. She would love it. So I'm going to go ahead and link her channel in my description box, and I would love it if you went and subscribed to her channel. She does not know that I'm giving her a mention, but we are really good friends, and I just wanted to share that with you.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine.
Okay, so now I'm going to clean up my sink, and normally I would use soft scrub, but I'm completely out of that. So today I'm going to be using a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of baking soda. This does an okay job. Definitely does not do as well as the soft scrub. It did not remove any of the stains or the marks, but it did do a pretty good job cleaning out the sink. So if you do not like using soft scrub, this is definitely an alternative. If you have a stainless steel sink, I'm sure this would work excellent, but for my porcelain sink that is white, I really needed something that was going to remove stains and scratches, and the soft scrub definitely does a better job at that. So like you saw me earlier in the video, I did take all of these aprons down. I'm going to be washing them, and I might put them away for a while. I just wanted to try something a little different over here on these hooks and this wall, and you will see me decorate this area here in a few minutes. But I had noticed how dusty these hooks were, so I am going to clean up over there and then wipe down all of the countertops. I'm going to also clean the top of this hood right above my stove, and I will be using the Love Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner for that, and this is also in the lavender scent.
I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you.
Now that I have everything cleaned in this kitchen, I'm just going to start putting things back. And this is a better look at the lotion and the hand soap that I purchased from Marshall's. And I love the little caddy that it sits in. It's just like a wooden little tray, and I love the way it looks. It fits perfectly with the decor that I'm going to be using in here, and I love that the hand soap is blue. And then I'm just going to set my dish soap right here next to the two of these items. I do get asked about the dish soap bottle and the label. I purchased the bottle from Home Goods a while ago. It did have a label of something else on there, and I just took that off. And then for that dish soap label that I have on there now, I purchased that on Amazon, and I will leave that linked for you.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back.
So I just wanted to make a few small changes to this hutch over here, and I decided to add the bread box that I was using over here on this shelf, and then I'm just going to take those flowers and place them in the container that I have above my refrigerator, and then I will add the stars to my centerpiece that I have on the kitchen table.
Your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
of the water, the calming waves kiss my feet. The touch from the warm wind.
I love decorating this area right here on my island, and I love to decorate it seasonally and then just kind of switch things out throughout the seasons, between the seasons. And I decided that it was due for a change, so I am just going to take this tin box. I purchased this at, I believe it was Hobby Lobby, I want to say about 5 years ago, and I think I purchased it for under $5. It was marked down 90%. And I got a steal. I don't see them there anymore, but you might be able to find them. I'm not sure. But I'm just going to place this here on this little shelf here and then add the rolling pins back in there. And then I wanted to add my little jar that I keep my corks in for the wine. And I needed some height, so I just added a book down in there, and then I decided to add a little tiny candle holder and then add this distressed looking hen, and then just add a little bit of greenery and some floral pieces.
The devil's breath on my neck, but the touch from the warm wind is blowing in, is keeping.
So now I'm going to clean off my tabletop, and it didn't need too much of a clean, so I'm going to keep the table runner and the centerpiece there and then just kind of dust around it. And I will be using the Method Wood for Good and the almond scent for that.
Pretending that everything's alright and that it will be fine in the end. In the end. In the
So if you are visiting my channel for the first time and you don't really know what my decor looked like before, I had forgotten to take a clip of my kitchen lights before I had my husband take them down. So I'm just quickly showing you what the previous lights looked like. And they're just in acrylic. These aren't even crystal. They do look very pretty and they are affordable. I purchased them at Home Depot a few years back. I do believe they still have them. But these are the new lights here. I purchased these ones from Amazon, and then the one that went over my table in my dining room or eat-in kitchen area, that one was purchased at Overstock. I will link everything if you are interested in these. They do come in pieces and you have to put them together, but it does not take long at all. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to hurry up and get all of these crystals put on, and then I will show you what the lights look like all put up.
We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Call out to everyone I know. Buy me a drink and help me let go of the suffering. Oh, help me get back again. 'Cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of love. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. If you could be more, if you could be all that you adore.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you click out, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
If you try